Hi, my name is Priscilla Hawks and I'm the founder of Hawks Law Group PC. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about setting up an entity. A lot of times when people are deciding to go into business, they know that they need to set up something, but they don't really know what to do. They keep hearing about there's an LLC option and then there's a C-corp and there's an s-corp. What it comes down to is you sitting down with your accountant and attorney and really figuring out what are your goals, what are you trying to accomplish. The goal is for you to set up whatever makes sense for you, so you never want to go to somebody else and ask them what they did and then do that just because they said they did it, because their story and scenario might be different from yours. So you have a lot of people that they hear things like, oh, I heard that Delaware is the best place to start a business, and without context, and you just go with that. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. So you really want to sit down and come across your personal goals and what they are and what it looks like. And then only upon discussing your goals with a professional, then you decide, okay, this is the direction that we're going to go in. So what I can say at a general level without knowing specifics about who you are is that the benefits in having an entity setting up and not just operating as a sole proprietor is that you get some form of protection. If you decide right this second, I'm in business, I'm going to go into the marketplace, but you're not an entity, then that means if something happens, somebody can sue you personally. Somebody can come after your assets. Somebody can, point the finger at you. And now you personally are on the hook for everything that happens in your business. Versus if you decide, let's say you set up an LLC. Now, if something happens, the LLC can get sued. And there's a layer of protection, so you're removed personally from the business activities that are taking place. Your assets are removed personally from, the business assets and again, the things that are taking place. It's important to do this also because you really want to begin to live a life that, your personal life and those activities and those monies are separate from your business life activities and monies that are coming in. You want to segregate everything so that there's no confusion about which account is which and what's doing what. And you don't want to, kind of have everything jointly together. When it's all said and done, you just want to have things set up in a way where your business is over here and you can hand records off to your accountant or even your attorney, depending on what you're trying to do, and things are crystal clear. And then your personal life is over here. And you'll just find, again, this is at the general level, you'll find that the more separate those two are, the better for you. So my suggestion is if you're starting a business, before you jump in and start, anything, whether it's an LLC or some other structure, speak with an attorney and try to get an idea, share with them an idea of your personal financial situation and what your goals are, and then let them kind of guide you into the proper entity and whether or not it should be in your state or if it should be in Delaware, if it should be in Wyoming. You have different reasons that people decide to go to different states and establish their presence there. So again, it's very personal. But my advice is speak with someone first and then make the decision shortly after that. This is Priscilla Hawks again. I'm the founder of Hawks Law Group PC, coming to you in a New York Minute.